steak with boiled green bananas. It's recommended that you pour a teaspoon of oil on your hands. Do like this. And then you find an edge like that. And then like that. One more. And then use like that much. Inch. And then you just go under like that. You just use that and get rid of any green. Put to boil 10 cups of water and 1 tablespoon of salt. So now, after the water is boiled after 3 minutes, we're gonna put a dozen boiled banana. The stove flame is set at 4. You should cook at high flame. And because you're cooking banana only, you can cover the pot like that, slightly. Boiled green bananas. Peppered steak with boiled green bananas. For leftovers, say lunchtime, you can serve this with 2 slices of bread. White bread or wheat bread or even crackers. Peppered steak with boiled green bananas.